to fix Twitter or X follow limit exceeded error. So if you want to fix your Twitter follow limit exceeded error, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Twitter or your X application. Once you open it up, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the upper left. Under your profile, you can go with the settings and support, go with settings and privacy, go with accessibility, display and languages, go with data usage, and after that you need to go with the media storage option if you have media storage, or just go with display. Under display you will have the media storage. You can simply go with clear media storage, and once you've cleared your media storage, your problem might be fixed. But if you don't have the media storage right here, then what you need to do is, so once you search for Twitter or X, you just need to simply tap and hold on to that. Go with the app info option. Under app info, now make sure that you've turned on all of the notifications. Go back and make sure that you've allowed the permissions also. Go with storage and cache and then remove all of the cache. Once you've cleared the cache, you can also go with clear storage, but if you don't remember your login information, don't go with clear storage, and you just need to simply go with clear cache and your problem will be fixed. Now you need to restart your device, and after restarting, you can open up your Twitter or your X and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Twitter follow limit exceeded error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.